We'll be looking at resistivity and conductivity this afternoon. What is resistivity? The resistance of the material is defined as the resistance per unit length, per unit considered area of the material. What do we mean? Normally when you have a conductor, okay, and this conductor, you allow electricity to pass through this conductor. What happens is that the material tends to resist the flow of electric currents. Okay. Now the flow of this electric current is the function of the resistivity of the material itself, and that resistivity is equal to the resistance of the material multiplied by the area of the material divided by what? Divided by length. That is resistivity. So that means the resistivity of any material depends on the resistance of the material, the area of the material, and the length of the material. Okay? But in case the area is in form of circle, it could be in form of sphere, it could be in form of any area. Okay, but here we're taking area to be equal to what? Circle. An area of circle is equal to what? Pi r squared. Okay? By the time you substitute for area, which is pi r squared, you have what? R pi r squared all over what? All over length. That is the resistivity of the material. Okay? Now, if the area you are given is in form of diameter, okay, instead of radius, if you are given in form of diameter, we know that R is equal to what? D all over 2. It's diameter over 2. So if you substitute for R equal to D over 2, what you have here is resistivity equal to what? Pi equal to what? R pi. The radius is D over 2. You have D over 2. All of what? All of square. Now divided by what? Divided by L. By the time open the bracket for this, you have R pi to what? This square over what? All over 4 divided by what? Divided by L. At the end of the day, if you take this division to times, you have 1 over L. So to now be R pi this square times 1 to give you what? R pi this square over 4 times L to give you what? To give you 4L. So where this is the what? Is the resistivity. This symbol that we call rho is what? Is the resistivity of the material, whose unit is what? Ohm meter. And R is what? Is the resistance, whose unit is ohm. A is A, that's what? Cross-sectional area, which is in what? In meter square. Okay, and length of the what? Length of the wire is what? Is a meter. Where D, this is D, is what? Diameter of what? Of the wire, which is also in meter. Okay, and R is the radius of wire, which is also in meter. Okay, and the radius of wire. Radius of wire is in meter. Okay, D diameter of wire is also in meter. Which length of wire is also in meter. Constant area is what? In meters. Resistance is what? In ohm. While resistivity is what? Is ohm meter. Okay, now another concept that's very, very important is conductivity. Okay, conductivity is just the opposite of resistivity. Okay, and that's why we said there that conductivity is just the reciprocal of resistivity. What we mean is that conductivity, which is denoted with this symbol, okay, is equal to what? 1 over this, which is the resistivity. Okay, which is the what? Which is the resistivity. Now, by the time you substitute for your resistivity, okay, normally we said 1 over. Normally, resistivity is the same thing as what? RA over what? RA over length. Okay, it will now be equal to what? 1 divided by what? RA all over what? Over length. You know, this division can tend to tell you have 1 times this one, L will go up, then you have what? RA. At the end of the day, to give you what? L over what? Over RA. That's why we got conductivity, rather, is equal to what? Length over what? Length over area. That is conductivity. So the higher the conductivity, the lower the resistivity. And higher the resistivity, okay, the lower the conductivity. So they are both opposites to each other. Okay, now this will not take us to this example. If you look at this example, you have a 2-meter wire of resistivity, 5.5 times 10⁻⁷ ohm meter. Now 2 meter wire is what? Length is what? 2 meter. Resistivity is what? Resistivity is 5.5 times 10 to the power minus 7 ohm meter. The cross-sectional area is what? 0.50 millimeter square. Okay, now which is equal to what? 0.50. This milli, okay, multiply it by what? 1,000 out of square, because of this square. Then you have meter. At the end of the day, you have 0.5 square divided by 1,000 square will give you what? 1 million, which is 10 raised by what? 10 raised by 6 meter. Now, by the time you press this in your calculator, it will give you, now give you 5 times 10 raised by what? Minus 7 meter square. That is your area. Okay, and you have to calculate what? You have to calculate its resistance. You want to get the resistance of the material. Okay? Normally, the resistance of the material is equal to the resistivity multiplied by length divided by area. What is your resistivity? Resistivity is what? 5.5 times 10 raised by what? Minus 7 multiplied by, what is your length? Your length is 2 divided by, what is your area? The area is what? 5 times 10 raised by what? Minus 7. This 10 raised by minus 7 comes to this 10 raised by minus 7. You have 5.5 times 2, you have 11. Down to 11 divided by 11 divided by 5. Now, 11 divided by 5, press it in your calculator. How will you get 11 divided by 5 will give you 2.20. Okay?